Today we're going to go over long sai, which is cold dishes. Long sai that we're going to go over today is called suan ni bai ro, pork in garlic sauce. So we've got the sweet soy sauce, pork belly, garlic, ginger, green Sichuan peppercorns, the cucumber, and some spring onion. It's the green part. We're going to start preparing this pork belly. Just basically got like a liter or so of water. Blend that with our xiantang, a couple of ladles worth in there. Spring onions, okay, crush them. Slice of ginger, crush it. A pinch of Sichuan peppercorns, get that going. Okay, so once you've sat there for 1 to 2 minutes, just take that pork belly and just place it in there. So when it starts bubbling up and boiling like this, you can see this here, you just want to drop that heat. So now we're getting into making the sauce. The sauce is super easy. If you've prepared the sweet soy sauce that I've already taught you guys how to make, everything is in here, plus brown sugar. Suan ni means crushed garlic. What I want to do is crush it and then dice it. Now, what we're going to do from here, 1, 2 of the sweet soy, 1 soy sauce, mix it up. That's it. Put it in the fridge, let it cool down, you're done. After we're going to dress this with the chili oil as well. That's on the Patreon too, I've told you how to make this shit. And this pork belly, no blood coming out, it's just clean, it's clear. Just take some cold water, get rid of the spring onion, get rid of the stock that you were cooking it in, put it on a kitchen towel, put it in the fridge, and let it cool down for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, prepare the cucumber. So I leave the water running and I dress the blade. I just slice the most paper thin slices I possibly can. Like in the traditional way, you cut it down here and then cut it this way. I'm going to show people just how to do it more easily. Take the pork and cut it thin and as paper fine as you possibly can. Okay, so we've fine sliced it, put it on the plate. Now we're going to garnish it with the cucumbers. And then we have that beautiful sweet soy garlic sauce that we made. And we dress the pork with that. And it's a strong sauce, so make sure that you don't dress it too roughly. Don't put too much dressing on it. We take that beautiful chili oil that I've already taught you guys how to make, especially if you're Patreon members. And you just dress it like this. And there you have it, suan ni bai ro.